Good morning children, welcome back to our maths classes. Let's continue with our solution. Yesterday till 2 to A to E. We have seen 2A to 2E. Now let's continue with 2F. Exercise 2F. Compare the following numbers and put the correct sign greater than, less than or equal to. Here first one you are getting as equal, that means 2. Both the numbers are same, all the digits are same. Then number 2 you are getting as greater than, that means first number you are getting, second number is, first number is greater than the second number. Here 1 to 4, that greater than you are getting 2, 3, 4, and 5 you are getting as less than. 5, the first number is smaller than the second number, so you have to put less than. So 12 questions are there. I have given all the solution. Please go through this. Question number B, circle the smallest number to circle and underline the greatest number in each row. Greatest number you have to underline. And first question, 146 is the smallest number I have circled, and the greatest number 1471 I have underlined. Likewise till 12 I have done. Now let's go to the another page. Exercise 2G, rewrite the following numbers in the ascending order. That means smaller to biggest. Here I have arranged the numbers. First one you are getting as 795 is the smallest number. Then 2635, 2678, 4346, 4375. Numbers are going through here. Now question number 5, 6, 7 are in another page. Now question B, rewrite the following numbers in the descending order. Rewrite the following numbers in the descending order. That means from greater to smallest you have to arrange this group of number. First one you are getting 8351, 7683, 7672, 7548, 7541. Likewise I have done till 7 here. Let's go to the other page. Exercise 2H. Question A, write the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using the given sets of digits without repeating any digit in the number. So the solution I have made, in first column we have arranged greatest number and second one smallest number. The rule we have followed in ascending and descending order we can also do here. In greatest number we arrange these digits in ascending order. In smallest number we arrange these digits in ascending order, and here it is greatest number descending order. When it come the matter of 0 always come in second place. That means in smallest number. That means first smallest digit you have to arrange in the leftmost number among those digits, and again you have to make. This is the way you have to do this. You can follow the descending order directly, but in smallest number the ascending order you have to follow. In zero's case you have to be careful. Now let's see another exercise. Question number B, write the greatest and smallest 4-digit numbers using the given sets of digits if repetition of digits is allowed. Here you see, here the repetition of digit is allowed. When it is allowed, how to arrange the number? Here the greatest number is 7. So the repetition, since the repetition is allowed, we have written 7777. So in smallest number 2222 we have written. Here the same we are getting. But in smallest number, when the 0 comes, if you write only 0, there will not be any value. So the second smallest number we write in the leftmost number and we arrange other 3 zeros. Likewise, we have done all the questions there. Now question exercise 2I. Question A is write O against the odd numbers and E against the even numbers. Here we have arranged everything O and E. O and E we have arranged. So 36, number 6. 6 is in even number, so the total number is even number. Here all the 3 digits are even number. However, we are going to check only the last digit, even number. Odd number, here you are getting number 1. In one's place, we are getting odd number. So, we are writing. So, 16 questions are there. I have solved here. The question B, write all the odd numbers between the 2 given numbers. Question number 1, 5013 to 5039. I have done till here. Then question number 2, 4471 to 4497. Till here I have done. Please check. Write all the even numbers between the 2 given numbers. Here the given number is 9244 to 9270. So 44, 46 here, 6, 4, 6, 8. Then 8 after we are skipping 2, then you are getting 50. Again it is 52, 4, 6, 8. Again 60, 62, 64, 66, 68 and 70. Here 5212 to 5248. I have given here. I hope all are checking the answers. Now let's continue with exercise 2J. In exercise 2J, we are discussing about 5-digit numbers. Numbers beyond 9999. That means beyond means थोड़ा आगे. 9999 के आगे क्या शुरू होता है? 10,000. That means 5-digit number. So here again it is coming same as given in first chapter and also second chapter. Write in figures. You are getting numbers name and I have given here numbers figures that you have to complete. Now write in words. Example is here, one is there, 32,274. You have to write the spelling. Here I have given all the answers. There are 5 questions. Please check your answer. Now here question number B. Write the number shown on each abacus. Here counting the rings in the spike and you have to write the number down according to the place and write the name of the number. Here there are 6 questions. In question C, 2KC that I have given in your copy work that I will show you afterwards. Now let's go through the book work. Now here write 2L, write each number in expanded notation. That means spellings are given here, just you have to write the number, how many 10,000s are there, how many thousands are there, how many hundreds are there, how many tens are there, how many ones are there. First one, all the answers I have given here. Now exercise 2M. Write the expanded form of each of the following. Here you are getting the digit, the number. You have to write the whole number at the place. According to the place, you have to write the whole number. That I have given here. To avoid mistake, as given in your book, expanded form in your book it is given 0 also. So I have also written here in hundreds place there is 0. So in expanded notation also I have given 0. Go through all the answers, please check here. 0 also I did not avoid. I didn't avoid everything I have written. Express in compact form, that means short form. Here short forms I have written. 6,000, 60,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. So you are getting 61,111. Here I have given. And let's see another question, last one. Exercise 2O. Write the place value of the colored digits. Place value I have given here. Here you see you are getting 0 in thousands place. So the value of the number is 0. There is no doubt. The other number I have multiplied with the face value into number at place. Here one example I have written so that you can get the idea. Here question number 2. Write the place value of digit 5 in the following numbers. Here 5 is colored number. So I have written the value, different value of the number standing at the number 5 standing according to the place. Write the place value of digit 9 in the following numbers. Number 9 is colored in different places. So question number C, write the place value of digit 7 in the following numbers. 7 I have colored in different places. Now these are the solution I made for you. Today let's close the chapter and your copy solution I will show you afterwards with the, when we start the addition word, we will start that. Thank you. Have a nice day.